A Brothers classic 60 grams canister shell that has become highly popular in the US? Quest. This is a spectacular artillery shell with all the great features that set Brothers shells apart. Great altitude, loud and huge size brakes, bright colors, great effects. The recently upgraded iridescent label helped enhance the artwork. Quest comes in two versions. One box has 12 shells and the other one has 24. They all break into different effects. Every single shell is unique. Let's look at some of them. Golden Willow, Red and Green Bouquet, Crackling Flowers, Green Stars and Crackling, Silver Bouquet, Red, Blue and Silver Glitter.